Stuck train. See that yellow light next to the yellow light? Yeah, the train's stuck. Stuck on the sidings, even though I don't think there's any tracks. The fast train just went by, and I think he got off to let the fast train by, but I can't see the train at the moment. I'm going to go closer to it. Definitely stuck. All I can say about that train is it's stuck. That train has no chance of moving. So I need somebody to come and get it off the grass and off the pathway, because that train's not going to move. Not going to move without any help. Thanks for watching. Stuck train.